don't want anyone to feel like they have to suffer or worry. We have treatments that we know that work. It's addressing some of these changes and the shifts that women may go through, trying to help them find themselves again and giving the support that we can in a really holistic way. Whilst we all may be familiar with pelvic floor exercises, for example, I think we all equally know deep down in ourselves that we may struggle to actually really adhere to these. So VTone is an opportunity to make that much more efficient. The VTone, in fact, delivers 20,000 Kegel equivalents in a 30-minute session. Morpheus 8V is a fantastic handpiece. It's so unique to the Empower platform. This includes radio frequency energy as well as microneedling, so we're really delivering the change where it's needed. The skin in the vagina and across the vulva can really change. It can become much thinner, and that's where the sensation of dryness and burning can come about. With this Morpheus 8V, we're utilising it to help regenerate some of the collagen in that area and improve that blood flow back so that we can improve these symptoms. FormaV utilises radio frequency, and this is something that might feel a little bit like a hot stone massage perhaps. It's an internal treatment as well as an external treatment, and again can be used to address things to do with sensation in the pelvic floor, laxity, dryness as well, and also improving blood flow, so again that can address any changes in sexual function and is a very comfortable, relaxing experience. We know there's a big barrier still about addressing our concerns and our symptoms in the first place, and that's why we want to provide a very safe space, a very comfortable and relaxing experience, really providing a top-to-toe, inside-out journey for a woman to feel that all of her needs are addressed. There are efficient, effective solutions available there which we would love to help you with.